Hey, what's up guys, Martin Unix here and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I'm going to show you on how to braid on dreadlocks. Welcome guys. Alright guys, this is what I've just done. You can have a look. I've braided on dreadlocks just for the sake of our beginners. Guys, I've left out some portion here. I've left out this portion just to guide you through the braiding process. So to begin with guys, I'm gonna pick the braided part, assemble them on a different direction so that we can have a clear view of what I'm about to do. So we have these 4 strands just for the sake of our beginners guys. I'm gonna walk you through the plaiting process at a slowed down version, and just to give some details about the dreadlocks guys. Before you start braiding on the dreadlocks, just to avoid build-ups on the lock strands guys, after wearing the style for some time, you don't need to wax the locks guys. You just need to wash clean your locks and oil them, treat them, and then lock in the moisture using some oil. After doing so guys, this is how your lock strand will look like. Then you need to manage the growth. Alright guys, just to walk you through the starting process, remember that we have just said that you don't need to wax the locks, you don't need to retwist the locks. You can just start your locks at this, this state. Reason being that you need to avoid build-ups after wearing the style for quite some time. So to begin with guys, just identify the parting of the lock strand. Then you can just pick the ingrowths. After picking the ingrowths guys, you just need to wrap the ingrowths around the lock strand that way. After wrapping the ingrowths guys, if the growth is kinda larger than what you expect guys, you can go a step ahead guys and interlock your lock strand once that way, just to hold tight the ingrowths that you have just wrapped around the lock strand. So now guys, I'm going to take you through the styling process, and to begin with guys, I will be using Hedges Harvest Short. This is Hedges Harvest Short. My client doesn't want lengthy braids, so we are going to use short. That's how the braid looks like guys. Alright, after reaching this level guys, I need to tip you that you need to apply some oil. After undoing the braid, this is the braid, you need to pick some oil which seems to be a little bit sticky, and on my case guys, this is solid oil. That is guys, on my case guys, I'm going to use castor oil, which is Blue Magic. So this is what I will be using. Just pick some oil. So guys, just spread some oil on your palm that way. Then you smear on the braid that way. That way guys. And why are we doing this? So we are doing this guys just to manage the hair strands so that they can remain intact, to avoid flying away, because these hair strands are very much light. So that's a way of managing the hair strands. So step number 2, guys, I'm gonna pick this size of hair strands. So I'll pick this portion from the main portion, and I will hand a little bit some oil, a little bit, guys. Remember that you need to oil your braid to make it look shiny, as well as managing its texture. Then separate some portion. This time around I'm gonna pick a small portion this way. See, one of the portions is larger than the other one. Now pick the smaller portion, let it interlace on the larger portion that way, and pick it at the middle that way. Now we are going to begin, guys. Come with me. This is the way to go. I'm gonna show you what they have not showed you. It's very simple, guys, for beginners. This is how you attach the lock strand. Remember, this is the most difficult part for beginners. Just place it that way. Place it on the scarf surface that way. You see? This was the larger portion. The smaller portion was divided into 2 and went to the lock strand that way. Then hold your lock strand this way, guys, that way. Just hold it like that. Then begin doing your braid. And how do you do that? Remember, guys, we will be doing a traditional 3-strand braid. So, and by doing so, guys, we will also as well be disguising the lock strand inside the braids. So we are going to disguise this lock strand inside the braid. So just kick off by picking one of the section, which is at the right side. Let it come under that way. Now pick the center part, and just to tip you guys, you usually adjust the center part to make your braid a little bit tighter on the scalp surface. Pick the center part. Remember, the center part is the one which is attached to the main strand, which is the lock strand. Pick it, adjust it a little bit that way, and pull it to the right side. Now, after doing the center section, pick the remaining section, which is this section here. Wrap it, interlace it, guys, to the center, and begin your braid that way. Just slowly begin your braid. Guys, I hope my tutorial is informative to our beginners. So many people have showed you on how to braid on dreadlocks, but I hope you're catching up on whatever I'm trying to bring out. Now this is the lock strand. Make sure you cover the lock strand with some hair strands that way. Just cover it. Cover the lock strand. We are disguising the lock strand, guys. We don't want to expose the lock strand that way. Then you just braid backwards. Remember, guys, this is just a slowed down version on how to braid on locks. For those of you guys who wanna braid on locks, due to certain factors, some of them being a call on duty, guys, or occasions, might be attending certain occasion, guys, which needs this kind of hairstyle. You don't have to worry yourself, guys. You can cover your locks using braids that way, all the way back, all the way back. Very nice. Remember, guys, to subscribe on my YouTube channel, like my work, comment and share to your friends. Share some hair strands. If one of the where sections seem to be in a less volume, you can share some strands from one of the portions which seems to be larger. So guys, just to remind you that you can as well join membership on my YouTube channel for more informative tutorials, guys, as well as video chats. That way. That's how you braid on dreadlocks. Just braid all the way back. Not forgetting liking the video, sharing to your platforms, guys. Comment to motivate our beginners. More styles to come, guys, so you need to stay locked on the channel too. At the end tip, guys, I'm gonna do a twist out just to finish out the stones that way, all the way back. All right, guys, now we are done, and just to follow the formalities, guys, you just need to soak the ending tips in hot water that way. Don't insert the whole braid, guys, because we have locs stored in between. That way, just soak the ending tips. You can dry them out. You can towel dry, guys. You can as well use your blow dry. Right, guys, after you are done with the braiding, now just to soothe the scalp and ensure that the scalp is well protected, as well as the hair follicles, you need to use some oil on the scalp. On my case, guys, I'm going to use castor oil. This is my castor oil, guys. Just going to use some castor oil on the scalp surface. That's how I'm gonna apply the oil on the scalp surface, that way. Guys, due to the volume of our braid strands, I wanna do a bun which will come at this particular area, because my client wants the hair pushed back a little bit. So I'm going to take you through the styling process, which is gonna be a simple style, guys. It's a quick one and a simple one. Now, guys, this becomes our finishing look. It's just a simple style, guys, to the back for my client. Remember, the hair has got lots of volume, and that's how you can just manage the braids to the back. Remember, she doesn't want any braids to hang at the back, neither does she want the braids to come on top here. She wanted the braids to come at this level, and to my level best, guys, that's what I've just done. You can have a look, guys. It's a nice look for braids. It's a lovely look, guys. You can try out on your locks. I think my tutorial has been quite informative. It's amazing. Thank you, guys, for being there. Thank you for watching my tutorial to the end. I hope my tutorial has been interactive, guys. I know that the tutorial has been quite informative, and I wish to bring more tutorials when it comes to dreadlocks protective styles. Guys, join my YouTube channel, join membership for more interactive tutorials to come, as well as video calls and Zoom interactive videos.